Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a BMW E90. So that's the 3 Series from 2006 all the way until 2011. It's equivalent the same procedure for all models. So what you need to do is open the hood, and that's where the cabin air filter is located. I recommend at least cleaning it every 20,000 miles. Most of the people don't even know about those. So we need to remove 2 screws right there with 8mm socket, one there in the corner, one next to it right there. We already got them loose, so we can save you some time. One on this side and one right here on the outside. So altogether we have 6 screws with a 8mm socket. And now we're just going to pull it out of there. As you can see, it comes out of there. And now let's see how bad the filter will be. You just pull it out of the clips right there. Let's see if we're gonna get some dust coming out of it, but still you can see the dust flying. So what we need to do is we probably need to replace this one on the inside. It looks pretty dirty. Okay, you can see now the dust flying good. If you don't have one right now and you need to put it back together, you can just clean it with the vacuum. And then we're going to apply that air freshener spray. You can buy that at the store, out of store, and spray it a couple times, and that thing's gonna smell like brand new again. Your car is gonna smell like new and clean. If you have a bad smell, it's most likely coming out of the cabin air filter. So we just put it back together the same way we took it apart. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.